Hello there, it's Alana. I'm your resident favorite statistics instructor at Jackson Community College. This tutorial is going to go over how to work with the TI calculator for Chapter 3 in the Basic Statistics course. It's intended primarily as a video for face-to-face students. If online students want to do this too, that's fine, but remember, online students Excel is what's required for the course, so you're going to have to use Excel for your Excel assignments, your projects, etc. Alright. So first of all, don't mind my little video thingy. It's down here at the bottom. I gotta kind of move it up just to get it out of the way. Come here. Get out of there. Okay, so I have a calculator in front of me. I have it on. And I have a data set over here. This particular data set comes from my Chapter 3 notes, which are available in the course pack for Math 133. They're also available online if you go to my website. Oops, hey, video thing. It's really getting annoying now. There's the website, personal.jccmi.edu/TuckyAlanaJ. If you click on Math 133 Traditional, which is this one, you get to this page, and right there are Chapter 3 notes, and then you can scroll through and find this particular data set. Although the technique I'm teaching here is going to work for every data set, and if you're in the face-to-face course, you're going to be doing this every single class. Lots and lots of classes. Alright, so they ask us for this, they give us this data set here, and then they ask us for all this stuff, most of which is covered in Chapter 3. So, actually all of which is covered in Chapter 3. So the mean, the median, the mode, that's all 3.1, standard deviation and variance, that's section 3.2, min, Q1, medium, Q3, max, those are the 5-number summary. They are in 3.5 but also in 3.4. The range is in 3.2, the IQR is in 3.4, and so on. So this is all Chapter 3 stuff, but the technique again that I'm using here is going to be used all over the place because this particular video tutorial is going to be about entering data. So you turn on your calculator and you press Stat, and then you see how Edit is dark and number 1, which is Edit, is also dark. That gives you an option. You can either just press the number 1 and it'll pick number 1, or you can press Enter since the number 1 thing is already dark. Whichever floats your boat. I'm going to press number 1 for edit. Alright, now in here I see lists. L stands for list. A list 1, list 2, list 3. And I see that list 1 has some old junk in it that I don't want. So I'm going to go up and over to the left. I'm going to make it so that the L1 is dark. We say that it's highlighted. So it's highlighted. I'm going to press clear and then enter. There. Now it's not dark, or excuse me, now it doesn't have all that crummy data in there anymore. And then I'm going to type in those numbers. 78, enter. 94, enter. Alright, I'm going to pause the video for a second. I'll be right back with all that data in. Poof, like magic, all the numbers are there. Alright, so you can see them, they're all on this list. You can also see, look at that, it says list 1 item 12, which is this guy where it's highlighted as blank. That lets you know that there are 11 numbers that you've entered before you, which if you look back at the data set, it says there are 11 people here. See the 11? So that gives you a way of double checking yourself that you've entered things correctly. Be careful when you're entering data like this. You basically can't go too slow, because if you go too fast and you rush it and you screw up something, then everything from that point on is going to be wrong no matter what you do. So be very careful, type in your data correctly. Real quick before I leave this tutorial and head to the next one, which is going to be how to calculate all this junk that they ask for, let me just show you something real quick. A lot of students, when they see that, oopsie, that they've got an old data set, they see that, you know, it's got all this number in it then that they don't want. Instead of highlighting L1, list 1, and pressing clear enter, they press this key right here, DEL, which stands for delete. Let me just show you what happens when you do that. Delete. Oh no! List 1 is gone. It's disappeared. If you go to the left, look, there's a list 6, there's a blank list, there's list 2. What the heck? Alright, to get it back, see above the delete key, INS, insert. So hit second, insert, and then it's saying, what do you want to name it? Second, and number 1, look right there, it says L1. And then enter. And look, you didn't even get rid of the data. It's all there. So if you want to clear out a data set, press clear, not delete. Alright, that's the end of this tutorial. I'll see you for fun and all this stuff in the next one.